In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Amazon to Dext. Now first, you want to go to the bottom left and you want to click on Business Settings. Then you want to go to Connections, which is the second tab. And now from here, you want to click on Cost Connections on the left and you want to click on Connect. Now yet again, you want to click on Add Connection and you want to go and search for Amazon, and you have a bunch of different options over here. You have Amazon Business, Amazon.com, etc. Click on the one that's the most relevant to you, so the one you want to connect. For example, if I do Amazon.com and click on Connect over here, I can select the document owner and click on Connect, and I'm going to be prompted to basically sign into my account by username, password, and then you can select which historical documents you want to include and the time zone as well, okay? Then press Connect and you're good to go. You're going to have to confirm it, verify it, and you'll be good to go. You've basically successfully connected Amazon to Dext. That's one way, but in case you are, of course, doing something like Amazon Business, this is going to look like different. So if I click on Connect over here, you'll see that, there we go, it's going to take me directly to the sign-in page for Amazon Business. There we go. And yeah, you get the point. That's essentially how to connect it, okay? So then whenever you're done it, you'll see your connections are going to be over here under Cost Connections. You'll be able to see your Amazon connections. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.